Hey there, wealth warriors. Imagine making $23,000 a month without even showing your face on camera. Sounds unreal, right? But it's not. Today, we're diving into a little-known side hustle that's taking the internet by storm. Creating faceless YouTube channels. Whether you're camera shy or just want a passive income stream, this could be your ticket to financial freedom. Comment below what you would do with $23,000 a month. Hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed, because you don't want to miss this one. First off, let's talk about what a faceless YouTube channel actually is. These are YouTube channels where you don't have to appear on camera or even use your real voice if you don't want to. Instead, the content focuses on things like tutorials, top 10 listicles, animations, or narrated slideshows. Think about niches like tech reviews, where someone explains the latest gadgets with B-roll footage, or personal finance videos that use simple animations and charts. There are even channels dedicated to ambient sounds, like rain or ocean waves, which people use to relax or fall asleep. The beauty of faceless channels is that the possibilities are endless. You can pick a niche that matches your interests and start creating content that people love to watch. Now, here's where it gets exciting: how these channels generate income. The primary revenue source is Google AdSense, those ads you see before, during, or after a video. If your channel gets 1 million views a month, and you're in a high-paying niche like personal finance or tech, you could earn anywhere from $10 to $20 per 1,000 views. That's $10,000 to $20,000 in ad revenue alone. You can also earn through sponsorships, where brands pay you to feature their products, and affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions by promoting products or services. And if you have your own digital product, like an ebook or a course, you can sell that too. All these income streams add up fast, making it entirely possible to hit $23,000 or even more each month. Now let's talk about the top 5 highest paying niches for faceless YouTube channels. These niches not only attract large audiences, but also bring in higher ad revenue because advertisers are willing to pay more for them. Number 5. Technology, cars, and gadgets. Tech reviews and tutorials are massive. Think about unboxing videos, reviews of the latest gadgets, or even videos about how technology works. The car niche is also a big earner, with content ranging from reviews of luxury vehicles to DIY car repairs. Number 4. Education. Channels focused on learning and self-improvement are gold mines. From math tutorials to language lessons, educational content tends to attract loyal viewers. And the evergreen nature of this content means it stays relevant for years. The third highest earning niche is personal finance. Who doesn't want to learn how to save money or invest smarter? Personal finance channels cover topics like budgeting, investing, and retirement planning. Plus, advertisers in this niche pay top dollar to reach financially minded viewers. The second highest paying niche is digital marketing. With the rise of online businesses, digital marketing is in high demand. Channels in this niche offer tutorials on things like SEO, social media strategies, and email marketing. These videos not only attract entrepreneurs, but also command premium ad rates. And the number 1 niche? Making money online. This niche covers side hustles, freelancing tips, and passive income strategies. Viewers in this space are eager to learn and spend, making it the most profitable niche by far. Pick one of these niches, and you'll already be a step ahead in maximizing your channel's earning potential. Now, let's break down the money side. Most of your income will come from Google AdSense, which pays you based on views and engagement. In high-paying niches, you can earn $10 to $20 per 1,000 views. So if your channel gets 1 million views a month, that's $10,000 to $20,000 from ad revenue alone. But that's just the beginning. You can also earn from sponsorships, where brands pay you to feature their products, affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions for promoting products, and even selling your own digital products like ebooks or courses. With multiple income streams, scaling your earnings to $23,000 a month or more is entirely achievable. Now, here's what makes this hustle even better. It's scalable. Once you've established your first channel, you can automate most of the process by outsourcing. Hire freelancers for video editing, voiceovers, and even script writing through platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Then, take what you've learned and replicate it. Start multiple channels in different niches. For example, you could run a tech review channel, an educational channel, and a personal finance channel simultaneously. With each new channel, you add another income stream to your portfolio. Ready to start your faceless YouTube empire? Here's how. First, pick a profitable niche. Choose one from the top 5 we discussed, and make sure it's something you're interested in or knowledgeable about. Then, plan your content. Focus on evergreen topics that will stay relevant over time. Next, create your videos. Use affordable tools like Canva, InVideo, or Doodly to produce professional-looking content. Then, promote your channel. Optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags for SEO. Share your videos on social media and engage with your audience. And finally, reinvest your earnings. Upgrade your equipment, outsource tasks, and create better content to grow your channel even more. So there you have it, the secret side hustle that's helping people earn $23,000 a month without ever stepping in front of a camera. The best part? It's something anyone can do with the right tools and strategies. If you're ready to take the leap, start brainstorming your niche today. And don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who could use an extra income stream, and hit that subscribe button for more wealth-building tips. Keep hustling, wealth warriors. And if you want to know more money-making tips, click one of the videos on screen now.